Alright, welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Good, so what do we have here? I asked. Mac contains no data type information. None. Class RTTI may have sizes. What is class RTTI? Class RTTI? Is that a thing? Class RTTI. I mean, we do have type info. Type info. This is the type info, which says what it is. vtable type info. Yeah, but that doesn't give the size. We only know the size when we have some offset here, right? Actually, that's a good question. If we look at if we put a breakpoint here and we look at our classes, hold on. Classes here, m size. Very very large class. Let's make a check down here. For class type m classes, int class with size count 0 and class without size count 0. And then we say if class type dot m size is not 0, then class with size, else class without size plus. There we go. Let's see. What? So little? Just 42? Okay, that's surprising. That is extremely surprising. I thought that we would have more. What the hell? That's not much. But it's a good thought. Can we get the class size somewhere? Why is it just so few? Base class size. Let's put a breakpoint here. E+1. 2. 0. Size. Size 40. I'm surprised that we got so little hits there. 42 classes only. That's insane. How's this possible? It should be much more, no? Huh. Where, where should I look? Where should I look for that? I have not seen it. I have not seen it. I mean, there's only type info. I'm really surprised that this is just so little. I would have expected so much more. I mean, yeah, I guess the downside is only here with the VMI. Multiple inheritance. Here's single inheritance. Class type info also doesn't contain this, right? Class type info. Class type info has a virtual table and type name. Here's a regular class type info, vector class. Type info name. And this identifier. That's it. There's no size. Unless the type info name contains it somehow. But I doubt. No. 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 I don't know. I don't see it. Wherever that is, I don't see it. No. We can take another look to just to verify. Let's put a breakpoint here and here and here and see if there's anything interesting in the symbol. But I would expect not. Symbol. Description 128. Huh. Okay. 128. Well, it's always 128. I was hoping that this would be 128 bytes, which would be a good value, but it's always the same. It's always 128. It's a shame. Type info. Yeah. What about the type info name? Type name. Class name. Here. It's weird that this value is, maybe it means -1, that could be 80. Ah, right, it was related to weak symbol or something like that, right? The weak or something like weak ref or something. Yeah, seems to be always the same. Yeah. Yeah. Too bad. What we can do here is single inheritance, virtual multiple inheritance. Yeah, I don't know. It would be great if class size would be somewhere, but it's also not that useful, I guess. I mean, if we don't have type infos for variables, yeah, yeah, there's only limited stuff we can do. Sorry for dying here, but no. Good. How about we go to yeah, this is unexpected. Class with size count. Let's double check this once more. I can't believe that it's just 42. That's insane. That's insane. Let me also count class with class count. By the way, I think we only need one counter because we have class size. I can move that. Class with more than 2 base classes. If class type dot m base direct base classes dot size is larger equal to, then we count that up. I guess this will give maybe a clue as to why this is, because we only get the information from multiple inheritance classes, right? So if there are not so many to begin with, then maybe that's why. Yeah. Yeah. It's maybe always the same stuff. Yeah, it's not so many. 189. It's not much. 189, 42. 42. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah. Yeah. Good. All right. I think there's only limited stuff we can do with the variables. Well, I guess it's fine. It's fine. As long as we can generate the files, the includes, the class skeletons, the functions, I think that's already good. Yeah. Good. Then let's take a look at pass. Yeah. Okay. So we need to figure out how we pass this stuff now. How to drop the data. Yeah. What I find weird is that that there can be global variables inside functions. That I have not yet understood. This one. What does that mean? I don't understand this. I think we said maybe it's because it's an inline function and there's a static inside and it gets returned. Maybe, yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah, let's do the following. Let's go to here and we say if function index is not invalid index, then we would like to hit a breakpoint. Yeah. Let's see what we get. Symbol, the null char G. Let's go to ASCII string .cpp. The null char is being returned. Yeah, I think that's the meaning. It's being returned. So it becomes a global symbol. Ah. Uh-huh. Yeah. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So if we go in here and we search for the null char, was it written like this? Yeah. The null char, find all. Yeah, there we go. So here it's in the function. Yeah. It's a global. So we know it's being returned. I think that's what it says. Yeah. Yeah. Debug. So here the null char is outside of a function, right? And so if we then take this, we would add a what do we do with that? Oh, that's so complicated. It is complicated, yeah. I think if we encounter this outside of a function, then, well, if we would add this now to function. So this one is in function. Yeah. And this one is outside. I just wonder how we make an association between these guys. I mean, by name, yes, but but the problem is there are probably some variables with duplicate names, and then we may run into problems. How about we create a breakpoint here if symbol dot name equals the null char. Yeah, and put a breakpoint in there. Let's see what's up with that. Test. What? That never hit? Oh, Right. Mangled. There we go. Okay, let's see. Before we look into this, I think what we can already determine in the variables is bool is returned is returned in function const return parent class function index is not invalid index and is global. Right. Maybe we create a bool is in function const return parent this, and then we say here return is in function is global. AKA likely inlined well, let's say inline function. Okay. Oh man. This is some brain melt. Yeah. Good. So mangled and null char. Good. So we made a hit. This one is, what is it? It's a global. Description is 433. Now I wonder if every hit will have the same number. Look at that. No, this one is different. 331. Huh. 433. Huh. Ah, hold on there. We have two null chars. One is from a Unicode string and the other ASCII string. Yeah, looks like we just have two numbers. So maybe this is an ID. Maybe we can use this as an ID type, yeah. 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 That would make association much easier. We can try this. Yeah. Variables. ID const return description. Let's say ID. Yeah. I think that would be pretty cool, yeah. Okay, that means if we have the null chart. I wonder, is there ever a value the null char, is there ever a null char S? No. Is there ever a null char V? No. Huh. Is there ever a this here? Yeah. And this has a address. Aha. So we will never get an address from the GSOM, but we will get an address from this one here. That's interesting. Very interesting. Okay. Huh. 1, 1, 2. Okay, that's fair. Okay. Okay, then so if this really is an ID, then what I think we should do is make a lookup, but now the big question is, where are we? Pass variable here. Pass variable. Pass thunk. Cert and sect. If pass thunks also requires end sec, why don't we move that here as well? And then variable, I think, will also always have we can move that here. How about we say const bool is symtab const bool is section if is that and is that. I do that. Okay, pass variable. There we probably also need to go by section, right? Let's see. Let's remove this one here. Put this here to fix section. And our data sections are, yeah, C string, a bunch of them, right? Let's remove this assert. Okay, let's just see if that hits. Section text. Okay, so we are probably interested in not in that. Section text. DYLD, probably not. Section. Section. Text call. That one is weird. Text. BSS. This one is a type, yeah. Okay, so we are definitely interested in BSS. Maybe take a note. So BSS. Let's put here condition section is not text and section is not text call and T. Actually, I think there's the segment, right? Data and text. This would be a much number of sections. Do we have anyway, so BSS, so the question is, does it have description? No, 0. Description 0. Okay, but here we can look up with address, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's say here to do filter by text, filter by data segment. There we go. Filter by data segment. And here we do filter by text segment. I think that would be much simpler. Yeah. I suspect that there's a way to go from a section to a segment, right? Yeah, I think we can try this, and then we don't need this condition, and we just check for data here and for text here. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's better. Okay. Okay, I think I will end it here. Then I guess here we would have to look up the... Here we would have to look it up by name or by address. Yeah. Name or address. Yeah. I think here we probably... So we will have a UN64T address, right? Address, symbol value. All right. And we probably expect that the address is not null. It's not null, right? Yeah. Find address. By the way, why is this address 64T? We would actually only need a 32-bit value. Well, doesn't matter much. Yeah, this one could actually be 32-bit. Yeah, doesn't matter. That's okay. Yeah. Okay, let's see if we get any asserts here from our new abomination. Or if everything runs okay for now. I suspected something. Oh, whoa. Okay, pass variable. Oh, wow, okay. No, oh, wow. Right. Okay, let's remove these. Okay, that passes. That's good. Good. Then, yeah, I will take a break here. Yeah, I wish you a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye.